Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Jigsaw attachment set from Parkside with tool-free saw blade exchange using the quick clamping function. Stroke length 10mm, drive type 1/4 triangular socket wrench with accessories. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have the manual and another 5 saw blades. Hardwood, 2, 1 speed wood, basic metal and another 1 basic metal. The handle, you can install the handle left or right or at the back. You have 3 options. The guard, you can remove the guard if you want. Soft elements around. The connection for the drill. And here it is the saw blade exchange mechanism. Press, unlock, and you can install one of these blades. Press and it locks. Press down and remove. So easy. Press again. Install. And now we need a drill, cordless drill or regular drill. Install that here. That was all. First speed. And I have just transformed my cordless drill to a jigsaw. Left or right, it doesn't matter. Second speed. With adjustable speed. So let's give it a test. We've just explored the Parkside Jigsaw attachment set for drill, and I have to say it's handy little tool for anyone looking to add some versatility to their drill. Whether you are cutting curves, straight lines or intricate shapes, this attachment set makes it possible with just your drill. If you are someone who loves DIY projects or need a compact, multifunctional tool for small cutting tasks, this attachment set is definitely worth considering. It's affordable, easy to use and a great way to get more out of your drill. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews, DIY tips and project ideas. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, keep creating, keep building and I'll see you in the next video.